the situation is all about how you make it. We're dealing with movies, and forms of entertainment. Some movies done got us through our, quote unquote best and worst times. One day you might have watched the movie Friday and got a good laugh, and took you and it stopped you from being angry at somebody that day. You know what I'm saying? Or you watched a certain movie that kind of taught you a certain thing about life. It's no good or bad to any experiences in life. We're learning as we grow more and more spiritually that it's just our perception on good and bad, because what may seem bad may be a situation to help you grow. You know what I'm saying? Like being that resistance that make stronger for the, how can I say, the resistance that makes stronger for you to go in the direction that you really want to head in. And as I'm saying this, I'm out here in Hollywood, and I'm just looking at the vibes and just getting a reminder of how much this is like, Disneyland for the world, like just, brainwashing central, just to put it, straightforward, like just any and everything to just have you, hey, look over here, and that's why I started off with the way I did, because we all done like movies, even down to me being right here right now. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm in Hollywood, like walking around like a little tourist myself right now in essence. So, it's just about, again, realizing not to get caught up in the mix too much. You know what I'm saying? And just make sure you're staying focused. Just realize what it is with a lot of these, movies, how it's trying to program the subconscious with, just symbols of the way things are played out in the movies. Not necessarily the words, may not be exactly saying what it's trying to, the message is trying to send to you, but it'll be in the symbology of just, what goes down in the movie, or, how things play out. But again, it's, being knowledgeable of the situation, and being aware, you could be more in the seat of being an observer than actually, being quote unquote brainwashed by the material in essence. Again, it's all fun, we're in the Matrix, have fun. At the same time, be careful to each his own. I don't like to feel like, I don't want to be that person to promote either side, be on your growth in a manner that you feel was best for you. You know what I'm saying? Some of us could watch movies or stuff on TV, Netflix or whatever, and still meditate and make sure we do certain things on certain like I said, certain moon phases, all that good stuff. Some of us rather not deal with that type of stuff and do our our work, our spiritual work. To each his own, but I just want to bring up the awareness to just go inward. Matter of fact, not gonna make it the war on Hollywood. I'm gonna just say promoting going inward, going inside. Just not forgetting that. Really was a little thing fast. Hollywood, man.